Morning class, this is Miss Mojanesi. I've had some questions in regards to Canva and how it kind of functions, so I just wanted to give you guys a rundown. I'm using my Android device, it's a Google Pixel. However, all the functions, to my understanding, are pretty much the same for your iPhone as well. So I downloaded the Canva app, either through Google Play or through your Apple Store. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started and just show you what we're dealing with. So we're going to touch in Canva, and this is what we call your landing page. There's all kinds of different features and things happening here. If you want to take a look through stuff, you're more than welcome to. However, I want us to really strive to create things from scratch first so that we can get more familiar with the tools within this program. Again, you can also use Canva on your computer. So if you got a laptop or a desktop, it also works well. So I'm going to use the plus sign here on the bottom right-hand corner to get started, and I'm going to choose a size. I'm going to scroll through, and the size I wanted us to do was 5 by 7. So you can do an announcement, or you can do like this invitation portrait, whichever one you want to do, it works fine. I'm going to press the plus sign, and I'm going to get started. So this is your canvas that you get to work with. Tap something to start editing, right? So I can include my own pictures and images. I can look through Canva's library, or I can simply start with colors as well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm look through their images and just say like background. Right? And there's a couple different options. There's so many things that I can choose from here, but watch out. Canva is a free application. However, it has material that you would have to purchase inside the app. So you see these little pancake stacks here? Those are actually coins, which represent that you have to pay for those. So if you try to download your design and it wants you to pay for something, it's because one of the features that you've added in your design is not free. So be warned not to use those, and we'll just do fine. So let's see. I actually kind of like this clouds. That's kind of cool. Where was that? I missed it. Here it is, right? So I can tap on the right-hand side where these 3 little knobs are, right? And I can actually make it so that everything is free. Blah, blah, blah. Close that. Or maybe not. Never mind. Forget that. I can come to color, filters, and I can change different aspects about this, right? If I tap on the filter, I can adjust it. It's just kind of like Instagram, right? And I'm going to say, okay, that's great. So now what I want to do is start just adding some more features. So if I use the plus sign, if you guys saw that, it's right here at the bottom of your corner screen. I can incorporate images, right? That brings you back up to this panel. I can incorporate text, and there's some great features in here. There's some design templates that you can use. You're more than welcome to do that. Or you can create from scratch as well. It's kind of up to you. So let's see. God, there's just so many options, right? So I think I'm just going to add some of my own text here. So you just have to tap here and your keyboard will enter here. So I'm going to say Miss Nessie. If I want to change the font, I can totally do so. Those little crown icons mean that that's for pro version only, right? So we have some limitation, but there's so many different things that you guys can use in here. Oh, my cat is gonna drive me insane. Go away, kitty cat. Nope. Right? Okay. Right, so I can increase the size, I can decrease the size. I can change the color here. Maybe I want blue. I can't really see that, so watch out. We still want really good designs where things are clear and concise, right? I can also change these colors. Maybe I want it italicized, right? Spacing, all caps, all lowercase. Spacing, I can increase the spacing, decrease the spacing, right? Let's see. And I can also change the alignment here. Maybe I want it centered. Maybe I want it aligned to the right. Maybe right, so centered, right to left aligned, and left aligned, okay? Yes. Miss Nessie. All right, cool. So I'm going to look at some different things here. So there's illustrations, right? And there's all kinds of things that we can use for our designs when we are creating this. There's also something fun called frames. So if you want to give that a whirl, that's what I used for my demo design in the assignment panel, right? There's the computer that's right here. However, I don't want to do that all over again. So yeah, go back to illustration and frames. There's so many options, right? So many things to use. It's almost hard to decide. Okay, we'll just use this because that looks a little fun. I'm gonna go to images now, or my gallery, and I already took a picture here. So I'm gonna incorporate it right there in my design, right? And so I can rotate this, I can change it, the size, I can do all kinds of different things. Ooh, okay. We're just gonna center this. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's just so many features. All right, so now I want to figure out, So you can use text or you can find imagery for 3 things that you enjoy doing, right? So again, you can find things underneath here to find some different things. So like earlier I had said I really enjoy pizza, and oh my gosh, do I love pizza. I also really like pottery. I can look at different icons if I want to do this. I can, let's see. And I mean, I can also search for different things, right? Let's see. I really do enjoy camping. So if I'm not really finding what I'm looking for, I just say camp. And then I can search. Not sure what happened there. It doesn't really matter. Back to illustration. Camp. And then I can find some tents, right? Because I really do love camping. I can also change the colors of some of these things, right? I don't have to stick to their color scheme. It's gonna bother me if I don't change that. Okay. All right, I can go, let's see, back to illustration. What else do I like? I really like music. I find music to be really soothing. And then I can find some different icons that I want to incorporate. Again, watch out for those little pancake stacks, those little money icon coins. You just don't want to use them. You'll never be able to download your design. Yeah. So I can crop things in. I don't want to cut a lot of this off. There we go. And I can also change the transparency of things too. So if I want to move something in front of another, I need to come up to my very top panel where these little three icons are, and I can move something forward on top of things or backwards, right? Again, I can change the transparency of things a little bit. And I can also delete things if I need to. If I need to change the size, I can. But once I'm ready to download my design so that I can upload it to our teams, you need to press the down arrow key with the little strike underneath of it, and it's right here. Preparing your design. I like that little quote at the bottom there, Robert Greene. La, 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 la. Right now I can share this, so I can find all kinds of different things. I can go straight into Teams if I'm interested, or I can go to like my Dropbox if I needed to. There's my Google Drive if I wanted. I think what I'll see about doing is just going straight to Teams. And yeah, we can allow, yeah. Maybe not. Go back. Ah. All right now. Sorry, let's just try that again. I don't think I have my OneDrive saved here. However, if you download the OneDrive for your phone, that's going to be through Microsoft, right? You can do that as well. I'm just going to save this probably to my Google Drive. It's going to make my life a little bit easier right now. And just click Save, okie dokie, and you're done. And you can go back to your home page. Maybe later, right? So you guys have fun with the app, test some things out. Let me know if you have any questions, and y'all have a great afternoon. That's it. I'm gonna stop recording now. Meh.